Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to create a website as scheduled content and have it recur on two particular days of the week at the same time. So let's use an example that we have here called the Florida Lottery. I will open up this example just simply by clicking on it, but I could also click any place in the calendar and double click and get to the box where I can actually insert a new website. I'm going to cancel this. We'll go back to one that we've already completed, like the Florida Lottery. And this is going to run at 11:15, beginning on 2/26, and it's going to have a recurring weekly appearance on my PC. So what do I have to fill in? I have to fill in Florida Lottery for my description. That's an appropriate description. This is a website. It's not a file. It's not a folder, so it's a website. This is the URL to get to the FloridaLottery.com. And when do I want this to start? Well, I want it to start on 2/26. 2/26 happens to be a Wednesday, and if you're familiar with the Florida Lottery, it is drawn on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So I need to repeat this on a weekly basis on certain days of the week. The lottery usually is drawn about 11 o'clock, so at 11:15 I'll go into the website, open it up, and see if I won. So I have choices of a weekly occurrence. I can have a weekly recurrence not at all and just have it show one time only. I can have it show up every day, or I can do weekly, monthly on a certain day, monthly occurrence, a certain time of the month, yearly day, and yearly occurrence. We're going to go weekly in this case. We're going to keep it active. We're not going to run it every certain time, multiple times during the day and repeat every so many minutes. We're just going to run this twice a week. So here's my weekly recurrence. It's going to be in the lotteries category. I could create another category and type it in and choose a background color. And in this particular case, I chose the phrase lotteries. And I have a green background, which you'll see in a moment. So I can go to next, or I can go to recurring weekly. Either way, if I choose next, it tells me I'm going to recur this every week, and I could do it every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, and have it fall on certain days. But since the lottery is drawn on Wednesdays and Saturdays, I'll recur each week, and I will end this at the end of this year, because by that time I should have won the Florida Lottery. If not, I'll be disappointed. Now, anytime I can look at this at any one of these windows, I can simply hit Preview Contents. And I know that this website will come up based upon the fact that I have chosen the lottery. So here's my preview, and here's my contents. I'll hit OK. And you'll notice now this is scheduled now on Wednesday, Saturday, and this is going to go on throughout the year. So if I was to look at my scheduled content on a monthly basis, and because I have so much content in here, I'll have to go to a particular day of the week. I'll do a look at a week. It's better. Here's this week. I'll go to my next week, May 26th to June 1st, June 2nd to 8th. You can see it shows up every week along with shutting down my PC in the evening. And I can run services at night and my calculator in the evening as well. These are just examples, but in this particular case, I've created a recurrence of a website. Thank you.